came to wheelie, then you came to the right place. Because today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to wheelie any EMOTO or e-bike, whatever. So let's get into it.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks.
Main thing for learning how to wheelie is like you gotta learn how to trust your brakes. These things right here are your best friends. I have upgraded brakes. I only use one finger, but if you're starting off and they're like stock brakes and stuff, you're most likely gonna have to use two fingers. It's fine. They're gonna be like the same thing at the start. It's just really the pop. So the first thing I would say, like the first step, is kind of just like get used to your throttle. Like just ride around. Just if you're just got your bike and you're looking on like I want to be able to wheelie and stuff, you first just got to get used to like how torquey is your throttle, how good are your brakes, because those are gonna be your best friends, throttle and brake. Like I'm just cruising right now, not even hitting the throttle, and I just cruise because I got really used to like the feeling of my throttle and my brake. The second thing I'd say, if you're wanting to like, you get used to that and you want to get to start doing progressions and stuff. So at the start, I know it's gonna be so scary going like this, and it's gonna feel really scary to go back like this. Like the balance point is gonna feel way further back. Like right now, it's probably gonna feel like you're at 12 o'clock, even though you're nowhere near it. So it's gonna be really hard at the start, but you'll get used to it. So yeah, keep practicing. Like a progression at the start, I'm gonna move. But a good progression at the start is to just kind of do like little power wheelies, which is like you use the brake, or you don't really need to use the brake because you're not gonna go any far back. But it's kind of just like that, like just getting you to the throttle and like knowing that you have the brake to save you if you go too far back. A lot of people are saying like you put your feet down and like do this type of stuff. I hated that. I could not learn that way because I don't know, it's just not a wheelie, and that honestly is just not like, I mean, yeah, you get used to like feeling your brake, but that's like when you put your feet up, it feels way different. So, I mean, you could, but I wouldn't. I didn't do it. Y'all might want to. I don't know. I just didn't do it. It just doesn't really help. So I would say doing like those little power wheelies where you go like this and kind of go like that, that's going to be what's going to help so much, because you're getting used to the throttle and the brake. That's how I learned. I just kept doing that, and eventually I'd be like, dude, I'm going back. Do it, boom, 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 and just hit my brake here, and I would just practice that. And then you're just coasting right now, not even hitting the throttle. So yeah, you just get used to all this type of stuff, and it helps you to get better and better each time. If you get past those steps and you're like, all right, I already know how to do that. I can kind of do like a power wheelie. I can do this. I can do that, all right? So if you want a progression from that, then I would say I know most bikes, if you have like a Suron or Talaria, you can really just use your throttle to pop it up. Like you don't need to compress it at all. But if you wanna go like faster and have a more controlled wheelie, you'll have to probably, if you don't have any power upgrades, you're gonna have to press it down like that. Boom, like that. I would say start to do that. Press down on the forks and then lean back. Here, press down and then do your power wheelie. That's how that's a great progression. I didn't even hit the brake there, not once, but it looks like it's a power wheelie. But that's a great way to progress. I would say, yeah, so after you got like those little power wheelies down, start to compress the forks and then do your little power wheelies. And then you'll eventually be able to go back like that. But yeah, you just gotta really trust your rear brake. That's what's gonna save you every single time. And when you get better, you could, if you're wanting to learn how to get back, because you compress the forks and you're doing this and you just can't get over the fear of going further back and you're just doing these power wheelies, if that's all you're doing, I would say do something like this. Hit the throttle, Boom, hit the throttle, hit the brake. Just throttle straight away, do that straight away. That's what's gonna help you to get over your fear. Instead of like doing those long power wheelies, just go here, hit it, hit the brake. And then you'll get used to, you know, really doing that. Yeah. And when you put those all together and just practice every single day for, you know, decent amount of time, you'll get it down. When you get these power wheelies like this, there will be a point where you accidentally go too far back like this, and you'll hit the brakes a little bit. You know, like start to realize it's not that bad. But you really just have to practice. Practice is the key to all this stuff. But yeah, it's really just that. So that's gonna help you each time, and it's gonna help you get better when you just, the main thing of getting over is going too far back. So you just really wanna get over that fear of going like here and just going a little too far back. Hitting those brakes. Like brakes are gonna save you, bro. You don't gotta be scared and stuff. So you really just have to keep doing that. When you got that, you're gonna keep getting better, and then you'll work up to different types of progressions. Those are sick. Your skateboards are sick. But yeah, you'll get over the fear of doing that stuff. So just practice every day. But yeah, so you just gotta practice and you'll get better. So yeah, as soon as you start to go further back and stuff, you'll be able to get over the fear of all that, and it'll help you be way better every single time. So yeah.
Hey, you're Brooks' brother, right?
Yep.
Ah.
So, wait, who? I don't even know who he was. But yeah, so you just gotta keep doing those progressions. It'll help so much. Stay tuned for the next one. In the next video, we'll have a part 2 on how to combo, seat stand, hand drag, all that good stuff. So, you know, I'll see you guys in the next one.
It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try.